Mars has an average distance from the Sun of about 228 million kilometers, or 142 million miles, also known as 1.52 astronomical units. As Mars orbits the Sun, it completes one rotation every 24.6 hours, and this is only 0.07 hours longer than Earth's 23.9-hour rotation. A Martian day is called a sol. Like 1 year on Mars lasts 669.6 sols, about the same as 687 Earth days. Mars, also known as the red planet, has to get its color from somewhere. Mars' surface is mostly made of iron oxides, commonly known as rust here on Earth. This metal was created when all of Mars' oxygen and water evaporated into space, leaving the rusted metal on the surface. Mars also has layers below its surface, just like Earth. On the outside, there's the crust, which is mostly made of iron, magnesium, aluminum, calcium, and potassium. Below that is a mantle of molten iron, and below that is the core of solid metallic iron, nickel, and sulfur. Now that we've discussed the physical makeup of Mars' surface, we have to talk about the composition of its atmosphere. Mars' atmosphere is composed of 95.32% carbon dioxide, 2.7% nitrogen, 1.6% argon, and 0.13% oxygen. The atmospheric pressure on the surface is over 100 times less than Earth's. Humans therefore cannot breathe Martian air. Mars formerly had a very rich atmosphere that we will talk about later. Mars has seasons similar to Earth. It has ice caps at the poles and has massive volcanoes. Mars has winters in which it snows water ice and summers where it warms up and there are massive dust storms. These storms can last for months and engulf the whole planet. The average temperature on Mars' surface is about negative 16 degrees Celsius, but can be anywhere between negative 20 degrees Celsius to negative 153 degrees Celsius. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system. Standing about 22 kilometers high, Olympus Mons may still be an active shield volcano. This mountain is about twice as tall as Mount Everest on Earth. The mountain is only a few million years old, and this is quite young in solar system standards. Mars has two moons, Phobos and Deimos. They are likely captured asteroids from a nearby asteroid belt. That's straight too close to the planet. Phobos has a diameter of about 22.2 kilometers, while Deimos only measures 12.6 kilometers across. In about 30 to 50 million years, Mars will rip apart its moon Phobos and will have rings. Did you know that Mars is the only planet that's completely inhabited by robots? This is because people will not stop sending stuff there. We are truly obsessed with the red planet. Most of the early probes were flyby orbiters like Mariner 4 and others from NASA's Mariner program. The first landers were the twin probes Viking 1 and 2. They were stationary landers that took the first images of the Martian surface. Modern probes are the famous Mars rovers like Opportunity, Spirit, and the most famous Curiosity, and of course Perseverance, which landed in 2021. The Perseverance mission made history when it landed because the rover also carried a small helicopter with it. This is the first drone to fly within the atmosphere of another planet. Humans have been obsessed with the possibility of extraterrestrial life for hundreds of years. We've been poring over the red planet looking for signs of life. Mars used to be very habitable, with vast oceans and even possibly lush forests. There are now countless dry riverbeds and lake beds, and that some groundwater still leaks out of, but evaporates away very quickly. Mars may even have been habitable for almost 1 billion years. This is more than enough time for life to evolve. Scientists may also have found some fossil microbes in a Mars meteorite. After losing all its atmosphere to space and cooling down, people now want to bring it back to its previous state through a process called terraforming. Humans will heat up the planet and retain all that heat by building up an atmosphere. We will add more greenhouse gas, the opposite of what we're trying to do here on Earth, and we will heat up the planet and retain all the water. And maybe, someday, humans will live on the red planet. That's it for today, everyone. Thank you for watching my video. Please feel free to like and subscribe. We'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.